Hello everyone, Rafael Depala here, and let's go for another class. Today the goal is to be very quick, as always, very simple. So we are going to learn how to import a Revit file into InfraWorks. Folks, before starting the video, I would like to leave a message. If you want to uncover the secret behind these incredibly realistic models, created from the combination of InfraWorks plus AutoCAD Civil 3D, I will leave the link to my course in the description, where I share everything from the basics to advanced techniques to create these extremely realistic models. Don't waste time, as spots are limited because I open only a few classes per year to ensure quality support and answer all the possible questions from each student, so click on the link in the description and take a look there. I'm sure you'll really like it and it will be a game changer in your career. Now let's get back to the video. So I will teach two ways.
The first one is very simple. Actually, both are very simple.
But then here I took a base project here in Revit, and let's go to File and export FBX. I will export it here on the desktop. I will name it Test Revit. Alright, while it exports, remember that for those who want to delve a little deeper into InfraWorks, down here in the first link in the description, I'll leave a 100% free class where I teach step by step how to create a 100% BIM intersection within InfraWorks. So the class is very practical, very quick. Just like here, I share my screen and we create together a 100% BIM intersection in InfraWorks, and it is 100% free. So go check it out. All right, has it exported yet? It has exported. Let's go back into Infra. Here we go to the Manage tab, Engine Data Source. Let's click on the arrow and 3D model. Here we have our test Revit file. Double click, it comes here to this uncategorized part. So now we need to indicate a category and then place it in the model. So right click, configure. Here in type, let's choose urban furniture, which is the closest match. And here we will click on interactive placement. Oops, it's done. So it appears here. It stays on our cursor. Double click to select the location. And then close and update. Let's wait. Coming back here, it has already imported our element into InfraWorks. So since we put it in the urban furniture category, it's here, urban furniture. We can increase the size, change the position, rotate it. In short, it became a standard block here in InfraWorks. This is the first option. I don't like to use it much. I prefer to use the second one, and you'll understand why. Let's delete this here. Alright. The second option, we have to come here to the style palette. Let's choose the 3D model option. And here I created a folder as a test. Here I ended up adding another element from the previous video. Take a look there. I teach how to import from SketchUp into InfraWorks. But anyway, let's duplicate this file here.
Let's put test
Revit. Alright. And let's come here to this little pencil to modify this block. On this side, in here, let's go to the three dots and select the file we exported from Revit. And here it is. It already brings our navigation. Here we can change the scale with rotation on the 3 axes, but we don't want to do that. Let's just click OK. And done. It has already saved here. Remembering that for those who want to learn how to create a folder, how The reason for creating the folder is all explained in the Revit video. But just quickly, the advantage of importing this way, one of the advantages is to have create your own library within InfraWorks. So all the elements that come from other software like SketchUp, Revit, and so on, it's always good to import within the same folder, and every time you create a new model, we can export this here. Oops. Here, right, if we click on this diskette, we have the option to save this folder. So I will put test R1. And whenever we open a new model, we can come here to import and import the folder, and it will already come with all our blocks that we have inserted here. So it's very interesting because of that. It helps me a lot in my day-to-day, like dashboards anyway. I have everything saved in my folder. Whenever I start a new project, I just import it. But alright, having done that, now that we have it here, inserting it is very easy. We can go to create urban furniture and it's already here. Look, if we delete and put Revit, our element is here. Done. Okay. Another advantage is that our element being like a block within InfraWorks, we have the option to insert, as was done with these signs here. These signs, only one of them was created, one of them and imported as a block. Then, to insert them at specific points, each little point came from AutoCAD. So, I exported each little point from AutoCAD to here and asked InfraWorks to insert these signs at each of these points. It might have been a bit confusing, but if you want, I can make a video explaining how to do this. You can leave it here in the comments and I will reply to everyone, and maybe I can make a video about this if you want. But that's it. Today's lesson was super quick, super simple, and let's put it here. Time. There. Just to make it look nice, it ended up being a bit big. Anyway, the lesson was super simple, super quick. Remember that the free class on how to create an intersection and beam with InfraWorks is right below in the first link of the description, and that's it. Bye.